Hello students and teachers. Welcome to the Wisdom CRM AI Tutor dashboard. As you could see, upon login, you will have access to all of your AIs that you've been in conversation with, your AI room, and you also have your teacher, Mr. Rabbit. Once you click open, Mr. Rabbit will guide you how to maneuver the platform and give you a video recording. So let's select Mr. Rabbit.
Hello students and teachers, your registration was successful, and we're excited to have you join us on this exciting journey using our AI tutor platform. I am Mr. Rabbit, and I will guide you on how to use.
Now, if you select yes or no, this is a feedback mechanism. Of course, Mr. Rabbit will cry, and we will provide tutorial to get you started. Very straightforward. Now, by selecting home, what this does, it takes you to the dashboard where you could see all the AI and choose whichever one you want to speak with and to learn to teach you. Now, in this example, I'm going to use Bark Tutor, and we're going to ask Bark Tutor today, can you help me with pronouns, please? Let's click send. Bark Tutor's goal is to do just that, and it's very simple. And of course, we could click play.
Can you help me with pronouns, please?
And then Bark Tutor will, of course, proceed.
Of course, I would be happy to help you with pronunciation. Pronunciation is an important aspect of language learning because it helps you communicate clearly and effectively.
Now, it gives example, and at the same time, it asks what time and effort you will see improvement. Keep up the good work. Is there anything specific you would like to practice? Teach me. Let's see. And of course,
Absolutely. I'd love to help you learn. Let's start with something basic. The alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, each with its own sound. Absolutely. I'd love to help you learn. Let's start with something basic. The alphabet. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters, each with its own sound. Here they are: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q.
And the list goes on. Now, in this example, of course, you could upload your homework by attaching an image, or you could simply click audio to speak, and the AI will understand and speak back to you. So in this example, if you want to go to dark mode based on the fact that it's in the night and you like to use it for your homework, you could do that as well. If you would like to download your report, you can select this button and click download my report to share with your parents and your teachers. That's it for now. Do take care.